Study perfect can be complicated at times. That's why I made this video. Thanks so much. I made this video to teach you how to add fraction in a simplest form. I'm going to be using three methods in this video to teach you how to add fraction. I'm going to teach you how to use the multiplication method and the cross multiplying method. Try to watch the video from beginning to the end.
Adding fraction can be simple when you have the same denominator, like the first question, which is 3 over 5 plus 1 over 2 over 5. This is a very simple fraction because you have the same denominator. All you have to do is just to add the numerator together and mean the upper part of the fraction. That is 3 and 4 and 1 rather. We just say 3 plus 1 over 5 equals to 4 over 5. Answer. You can see that is a very cheap question and a very sweet also. When we to the next question, we are going to use the multiplication method. You see this, the friend does not have the same denominator. This 4 and this 8. But there's something we can do. If you multiply it by 2, we are going to get 8. So, and in mathematics, what you do to the numerator, you have to do it to the denominator so that the equation can be balanced. So we spend multiply it by 2, by 2, by 2. We have something like 2 over 4 over 8 rather, because we multiply by 2 over 8 plus 1 over 8. 2 over 8. We have bring this denominator to know each other. This is 8, this is 8, and we have bring it to the simple fraction. You can just add the numerators together. 2 plus 1 is 3 over 8. That's the answer. And now moving to the next question, which seems more complicated. We can use this method or this method to solve this question. So what you have to do now is that we're going to use the cross multiplying method. This times this and this and this. 3 times 4 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. Then lastly we do
and 3 times 5 is 15. Now, you are going to add this data over this. That's 25 plus 12 over 15 equals to 37 over 15. And that is our answer. You can simply use method from the first question and the second question. If you find this video helpful, I'm begging you.
In case the last method is not clear to you, this is a clear illustration. You just have to multiply the fraction diagonally. Just like you are cross multiplying in a proportion. And you multiply diagonally, then you multiply the two denominator, that is the down part of the fraction.
Please subscribe and like. It's very important. And I'm going to be offering free online class on either Zoom or Discord. If you like to join, I will teach you any topic you want to learn in mathematics.
So you like to join, just comment me.